Obi the Shinobi and King Mozzie. We in the lab in the Shinobi Mobile, aka the studio, the Shinobi studio, and we laying some tracks. Well, King Mozzie is. I try not to be so egotistic, but it's so hard to share the spotlight sometimes. But my advice to my Shinobis is you need to share the spotlight at times. Because how the hell you gonna let the motherfuckers grow if you stepping on the motherfucking roots? Facts. Support the cause. Support the small people. Because these motherfuckers are gonna be giants one day. Real spill. Real spill. I'm trying to run and get out like Kanye. I'm the one who's about to strike all the way. Obi the Shinobi is about to slay. It's payday. And these demons must pay.
I'd rather have songs on my phone than anything.
Yeah.
But I mean, as long as it's in the air,
Yo,
like,
Obi the
platform,
Shinobi.
like iCloud, SoundCloud,
Letting y'all Shinobis know.
So, like, even though it's going on your phone,
I'm not a rapper.
it's up in the cloud forever.
I'm not an actor.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm just
You know what's crazy though?
a
Like,
ninja
your shit
trying
is already on Google,
to
and
change
they already have, like, your
the
information
world.
on Google. For real? Yeah,
One
if you look it up, King Mozzie, whatever,
Shinobi at a time. And Lord knows, I ain't got time to deal with negative drama frequencies. Run it how you like, but Obi the Shinobi is here to uplift. And I mean, it's not always black and white. Sometimes this shit can be gray. And basically, that's what Obi the Shinobi is. I'm like a gray Jedi.
Get a little preview, a little snippet.
I mean,
you know what I'm saying? Check out his
I
shit.
wouldn't even say I'm a Jedi.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, KYNGMAZI.
All day, every day. Ooh, is that Sophia? Damn, man, I remember when she was little.
What she did?
I think she went inside.
Oh, yeah, she probably just seen it without him.
Have respect for yourself. Have respect for one another. And good or bad, bad publicity is still good publicity. It's yin and yang. So accept yourself 100%. Because no one really thinks they're the bad guy. Nobody. You think Hitler thought he was a bad guy? Nah.
I'm chasing a dream.
No, you thought Charles Manson. He thought he was a bad guy.
We was like, dude, what we gonna say next? He was like, we gonna fuck the bitch
I
on
don't
the
know.
club. And then I came back in.
And for all y'all superstitious type of shinobis or ninjas, you know, like, I want y'all to know one thing, man. Believe what you want, because your belief has power. Obi the Shinobi wears a mask, but not because I'm afraid of what I can do, but more so because I like wearing masks. But I ain't got nothing to hide. Real spill. Have the courage to kick it with the squad, and have the courage to accept yourself 100%. I know that one's hard because, real spill, we all have our low moments, but I keep telling y'all, squad up and give each other positive energy. That shit will take you far. More than you know. It's a real life spirit bomb. You know what I mean? To all my Dragon Ball fans, y'all know what I mean. Run it how you like. Just don't run from the fight.
Where you going? Where you going?
Hiya. Shinobi kick that nose.
Shit ain't generic at all.
It's payday, and these demons must pay. Yup. I bust my semen all up in your slut, but I'd rather get your cut. and double up my money. Yeah, yeah. So you better put your bunny up, cause when she sees me, you're out of luck. I make it look so easy, and you just stuck. I'm not a hero. I don't give two fucks. You can call me a villain, but I'm just chillin', illin', positive energy, fulfilling my mind, body, and soul. So you know that you can grow, but you must be willing to let go. Shinobi Squad assemble. Subscribe, like, and if you don't, I'ma keep it simple. Keep it moving. And with that being said, I want to give a shout out to all my Shinobis. Those that I don't want to name drop because, you know what I'm saying, they got a lot going on. I don't want to blow them up like that, but they know who they are. All y'all ninjas that know me for me, not just Obi, but know me as the Shinobi that I am. You feel me? Shout out to Daylight. These are my mentors that I'm shouting out. Nino Brown, he's still my motherfucking idol. Ralph Smart, Infinite Waters. I mean, check out their YouTube, man. Ask Google about them. If you don't know about them, you will soon. But that's what I'm saying, man. Obi the Shinobi ain't about the fame. I'm all about the change. Shit. And if I gotta use my fame to change some ish around here, best believe I'm gonna use my fame. Okay? Oh, and shout out to Hustler Kung Fu, Master G. Man, I don't know where I would be without him. Seriously. He's like my financial guru on YouTube. And with that being said, I want to shout out to YouTube. Because without YouTube, I wouldn't be able to express and ink out my feelings and be heard all over the world, because I know all y'all Shinobis are scattered all over the world, and that's how it should be, man, because it's a small world and the world must go round, around, around. You feel me?
Yeah, you know there's holes all in my clothes. I'm ballin', hitting on the floor. You know I'm dark and I'm broke.
Alright, see, right here.
Yeah, I got a little hope.
Right now, right there, I said I got a little hope, but it kind of sounded like you said I got a little hope.
Yeah, you know that shit will swallow it. Swallow it, bitch. Yeah, you know I get it up on the road.
I'm talking, when I say the road, I ain't talking about doing shows, you know, selling this shit, selling trucks. Oh, shit, my mom. Oh, yeah, she's still there.
Obi the Shinobi. Oh yeah, and peep the Shinobi cards that are like laying, they're all over the streets. Yeah, grab one. They're like Pokemon cards. Gotta catch them all.